It's creamy. You could taste the tomatoes in the vodka sauce, and it's got a little kick to it, a little spicy. Hello, OFT family. We are going to work on week 6 winner, the spicy vodka pasta, with a caveat. I am using the spicy vodka from Carbone's. Number one, because I don't have any non-flavored vodka in the house. And I had this. So we're gonna do this and add a little bit of cream. And the pasta that I'm going to use on this is this fun little pasta from Trader Joe's. I've used this multiple times in the house. I love it, but essentially you could use any pasta you want. You could use shells, you could use fusilli, you could use bow tie, any pasta you like. This is our pasta of choice. And along with our spicy vodka pasta, I am going to be making my famous cutlets. Now, if you want a how-to on the cutlets, refer back to the video that we posted this week. I think it was Wednesday. It was the Dano's chicken cutlet dinner. So refer back to that if you want to learn how to make the cutlets. But we're gonna get started on the cutlets first and be back in just a minute. Cheddar Bay Biscuits here. Welcome back to our week 6 winner, which was a spicy vodka pasta. Look how pretty she is. She's like a pink sauce with the spicy vodka sauce and the cream. And I added some of my shaved Parmesan that I love so much from Costco. And then we have our chicken cutlet. Can you hear how crispy that is? And then we have a Cheddar Bay biscuit. Let's try this vodka pasta. It smells unbelievably good. Let's not burn our face off.
That looks so delicious.
This is really good. It's creamy. You could taste the tomatoes in the vodka sauce, and it's got a little kick to it, a little spicy. It's a very creamy, spicy sauce. I love it. Absolutely love it. Let's try our cutlets. Did you hear that crunch? Did you hear that crunch, folks? That chicken in there. Chicken cutlets are probably one of my favorite foods ever. And it pairs so nicely with the vodka pasta. You've got to try this, guys. It is delicious. Spicy vodka pasta. Thank you to who submitted this recipe for week 6 winner. Go out and try it, guys. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.